I'm Executive Chef Ivan Flowers, and we're going to talk about Chateaubriand. It's a word we've all heard. Sometimes we're not sure what it is. What is a Chateaubriand? A Chateaubriand is the center cut of the filet mignon, usually for two people. So I'm going to tie it. I'm going to show you a trick how to get more flavor. And we're just going to go under the Chateaubriand because we want to put herbs on it. And we're going to make a knot, double knot, and then we're going to do another one, and that kind of keeps the meat centered. And then an old trick, you go underneath and through, and then just make a little knot on the end. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to get our pan, medium heat, and I've got some nice rosemary sprigs, and I'm going to go right into the meat, under the rope, a little bit of French sea salt, a little bit of nice pepper. I'm going in with olive oil, and I'm going to sear this beauty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sear each side. Then I'm going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to take it to mid-rare. Okay, our Chateaubriand is out of the oven. We finish it for about 20 minutes at a 400-degree oven. This is very exciting. People see a center-cut Chateaubriand, they get very excited. I'm a little excited myself. I don't know if you could tell, but. And then you want to just take it and really fan it out because you want to show your temperature. And even though the meat's been seasoned as well on the outside, we want to do a final seasoning. So a little French sea salt, a little bit of pepper. You can do a demi-glace on this. You can do a brown chicken jus. You can do a hollandaise. You can do a béarnaise. I have a nice Ligurian fruity olive oil that I'm just going to finish. I'm serving it with sauteed fava beans, grilled asparagus, and a nice Yukon Gold potato. So there is Chateaubriand for two. Easy, easy, easy. Enjoy it.